Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a collection in a Facebook Lite. First, open the regular Facebook app on your mobile device because some features are limited in Facebook Lite. Then, go to the menu which looks like three horizontal lines and tap on Saved. In the Saved section, you will see an option to create a new collection, so tap on Create Collection. Give your collection a name that is easy to remember and describes what kind of posts or videos you plan to save. You can also add a description for the collection if you want to keep it more organized. After creating the collection, you can start saving posts, videos, or links directly into it. To do this, whenever you see a post you like, tap the Save option and then select the collection you created. This way, all your saved items stay organized and easy to access later. If you prefer using a computer, open facebook.com in your browser and log in. From the left-hand menu, click on Saved, then select Create Collection. You can give it a name and description, and then add any saved items you already have. You can also drag and drop new items into the collection to keep everything organized. You can even create multiple collections for different topics, like recipes, travel, or videos, so finding saved content becomes much faster. If this video helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.